too bad.
All right, we're ready.
All rise. District Court of San Andreas is now in session. The Honorable Judge Walter Jameson presiding.
Honorable.
You may be seated. District Court of San Andreas is now in session. Today we will be hearing the case of the State of San Andreas versus Tyroil Smoochiewallace, case number 21-20610. Judge Walter Jameson presiding. Before we get started, does either side have any pretrial motions they would like to file? All right, prosecution, can you go ahead and read off the list of charges?
Absolutely, Your Honor. We have PC 1108 hostage taking, PC 2202 second degree felony murder, PC 3207 possession of illegal contraband, PC 2317 felonious trespass, PC 3301 possession of firearm without a license.
Defendant, how do you plead?
Oh, yeah, I did all that. Guilty.
All right, with the plea of guilty, we will move straight into sentencing. Prosecution, are you ready with your sentence recommendation?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead.
We're going to go with life with parole.
All right. Defense, what's your recommendation?
Your Honor, we have Mr. Smoochie has already served, I believe, a certain amount of time. We ask that be considered in his time before parole.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. Sorry to interrupt Judge Jameson, but I don't see any lawyer put on the ticket. So
I just heard him right now.
It's a bit late, to be honest.
If that
Really? You go deny me counsel? I mean, shit.
Well, Judge Jameson's decision, but you do need to declare counsel. You can't just walk up and start talking. So
He didn't walk up. I asked him to come up.
I know, but that's what I'm saying. You can't.
if it's with Your Honor's permission.
Up to
Yeah, what do
Judge
you think?
Jameson here.
We'll allow it this one time, but in the future, make sure you had your name on the
You
docket.
think I
and get
won't be here
accepted.
again?
I was more or less the attorney.
Yes, sir. My apologies.
All right, with the recommendations, I'm going to call this court into a 3-minute recess while we deliberate.
All right, thank you, Your Honor, Colonel Sanders.
Just call me Colonel Sanders. That's fine.
All right, we're ready.
Wait, are we talking about the DTF? But we talking about the DTF?
All rise.
Why was I?
The District of
We'll talk about it later.
Court of San Andreas is now back in session. Honorable Judge Walter Jameson presiding.
You may be seated.
Why'd you scoot up, man?
With the guilty plea to all charges taken into account and both sides' sentencing recommendations taken into account, I sentence Mr. Smoochiewallace here to life in prison with possibility of parole after 30 years. 19 of those 30 years will be time served.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I bet.
That is
Thank you,
all.
Your Honor.
Court is now adjourned.
That was exhilarating.